The jury in the Stephen Lawrence murder trial was given a warning today. Don't bow to the emotional pressure that claims of racism have placed on the case.
The warning came from the defence barrister for one of the two men on trial. From the Old Bailey, Juliet Bremner reports.
This was the end of the defence case for David Norris on the left and Gary Dobson, the two men charged with murdering Stephen Lawrence 18 years ago. Despite denying they were part of a gang that chased Stephen down the road and killed him, ever since the murder, David Norris's barrister told the jury they'd been subjected to continuing prosecution by the media and certain sections of society. The jury have been shown footage from a police surveillance video in which David Norris says he could blow off the arms and legs of black people with a machine gun. But Stephen Batten QC suggested the country has come a long way since 1993, and this was no more than young men showing off to one another. He feared that there was still a well-meaning section of society that felt, unless there's a conviction sometime in the case of Stephen Lawrence, racism would have won. He asked them to reject any such notion. He claimed that a 2mm piece of Stephen's hair found on Mr. Norris's jeans and other fibres found on his sweatshirt could have got there through cross-contamination. In the years after they were seized from the Norris home, the garments had at one stage been placed in the same overbag as Stephen's belongings. The jury will come back next week to hear the judge summing up, but theirs will be the only court open over the Christmas period, and Judge Tracy warned them that they might want to wrap up warm to stave off the chill of a near-empty courthouse. Juliet Bremner, ITV News at the Old Bailey.